You need to hear this if you're a science fan. Deep in the ocean, scientists have recorded some truly bizarre noises. Sounds so strange they might make you think of alien life. But before you start planning first contact, let's dive into the details. These eerie sounds are actually natural. From the groans of icebergs scraping the ocean floor to the odd calls of deep-sea creatures, our oceans are full of mysteries. One famous sound is called the bloop. It was so loud and unusual, some thought it was made by a giant sea monster or even a spaceship. But turns out it was just icebergs cracking and shifting. So next time you hear a strange noise, remember our planet's own symphony is just as fascinating as any alien tune. Stay curious and keep exploring.